what's going on? It's your boy JD Nation 1 back with another video, man. Headed up to the shop right now, man. Check on my door panels, man. We're getting leeway. I was supposed to go 2 10s in the front door and a horn and a super tweeter, but it's looking like I don't really have enough space to do 2 10s and make it still look flush and look good. So I think we're gonna try these 8s out. We're gonna do a 10 and an 8 and a horn and a super tweeter instead, and see how that goes. So I actually got some that I had for the Challenger that I didn't get put in, so I'm gonna drop them off up there and see how that goes. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right, y'all, we over here messing with this shit in house. 10 gonna be right there. Probably do like an 8, a horn and a super tweeter right there. I think that's the game plan right now so far. Probably try to get a 10 back there and probably something else. I forgot what we talked about already. But yeah, it's coming along. It's definitely been in the making. Big 10 right there, sitting up chilling. PRV everything. I just got to get order me some seat belts, get them dyed, get this roof piece done. Get that back done. Put my floors in. Order my 32s, and I think I'll be okay. New 8s. I actually had these for my Challenger, but I ended up not using them, so it's kind of worked out perfect. Use them still. Yeah, y'all go check it out. It's my IG. That ain't even my IG no more. I'm lying to y'all. It's my old IG. That's when I was floating everything. And upgraded. Now we run 4Gs. Probably do a Monty 4s on this though. I think it's gonna be a nice combination. Yep. A little more touch up. Hopefully I can get back over here and get y'all a little more footage. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. We making it happen. Definitely making it happen. That bad boy hit in is dusty. That combo gonna be nuts though. You see that seat? Ooh. Dang. That's gonna look good. I see, go with it. Look at the seat, y'all. Check it out. Ooh-wee. See if I can get suicide doors done real quick. After we get done with this, we might do suicides on here. Might have to redo all this again, though. Maybe that's next year. Definitely make it happen. But anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Hold up. All right, man. Up out of there, man. We had a good conversation, man. I gotta start recording everything though, man. Like we be hitting some key points and I don't be having footage of it. But I guess, you know, that's just come to the more y'all watch me, the more I can just get in tune with it, you know what I mean? I'm not really getting the views and stuff I want, so, you know, I just put what I want y'all to know, you know, instead of just letting that motherfucker just roll, you know. But anyways, happy 2020, y'all. It's a new year, man. It's my first video of the year, actually. And I've been looking at the Dodge Ram, or the Ram 1500, however, and I've been doing a lot of research on them. You know, I was gonna get the one that I showed y'all and I checked out. It had a lot of miles on it. In 2013 was the year that they basically, the body came in 11, but the inside of 13 is like the same from 13 to like 18, you know. And I see some 19s with that same inside, so I'm not gonna be in no rush. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put my money and invest into the my supercharger because we're getting close, man. You know, we just a couple more things, like I was just telling y'all. I got a few more things to do, and we're gonna be there, man. I'm also gonna order the wheels. I'm gonna do that maybe beginning of February. I'm gonna pull the trigger on that. I was just telling Dion how I wanted to paint my wheels. You know, I'm gonna get some brush 32s on Monty Fords. I know exactly which ones I want. I will tell y'all which ones it is, but you just gotta stay tuned. Just keep watching me and just stay tuned. You know, but I definitely gonna get them brushed. I'm gonna leave them brushed, and then the outsides of them I'm gonna do that blue and green, man. I just think the combination gonna be nuts. Just like I was just talking about the seat, the colors of the seats, and that blue and green. It looks so good to me, man. I can't help it, man. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. I appreciate everybody to be, you know, commenting, and appreciate everybody who subscribed, who been subscribed, who watched me. Hit that bell so y'all can get every video, man. You know, I try to drop pictures when I don't got no videos and stuff going on, or just pictures to let y'all know what's going on next, or what y'all missed out on, what's behind the scenes and stuff like that. So anyway, it's your boy JD Nation 1, man. I ain't gonna keep talking. I'm out.